Walk. We're coming back. She ran ahead of everybody to get first in line. Come on, TB. Everybody get in line. Get your water. You're holding up the line. Get your water and get out of line. You're holding up the line. You're holding up the line. Get out of line, Coco. To be, 5, no, 5. It's to be's turn. Get out of that line. Get out. No, to be, come. Come on, to be. To be, come up here. Get your water. 5, house. To be, get water. She done jumped the line twice. Good girl. Then Bruno's got to get his water. He's learning. He doesn't know that the line starts in the back. Get your water, Bruno. Bruno, get water. Okay, you're holding up the line now. You're holding up the line, to be. Get out of line. Get out of line or drink more water. All right, Bruno, get your water. Bruno, come on, get water, Bruno. Come on, get up here. Bruno, you gotta stand up. You're that exhausted that you can't get up to the fountain. She's gonna move when you get up there. To be, go lay down. You're holding up the line. Move, to be. You're holding up the line. To be, house. Go lay down. Oh my goodness. So she just cut in front of you. Is Bruno gonna get any water? Poor puppy. We exhausted him on that walk. It's hot out. We did a couple of laps. And he just ran and played. Bruno, come on, get some water, Bruno. Come on, buddy, you get up here. Come on, get up. Let's get some water. Get some water. You're so tired you can't get up there to the water fountain? Okay. He's like, I'll get up there later. He knows where it's at. Maybe he's waiting for everybody to move. Okay, move away from the fountain, please. Move away from the fountain. Step away. Get on the bed. 5, go get on a bed. No. You're not coming back out here. Bruno, get your water. Get water, Bruno. Say it, he looks at the fountain. Water, get water, Bruno. Bruno, water. Come on, Bruno. Come on. Bruno, water. Get up there and get your water, Bruno. Okay, I'll let you get it when you're ready. You're not coming out here.